Good afternoon. Then, in the continuation of the previous lecture, that is plane in 3D, after study about different type equations of the plane and the numerical problems on these concept, that is find equation in different equations of plane in different cases. There is some article or important topics for which the angle between two planes, as in 12th classes, सभी लोगों ने पढ़ा है 12th क्लासेस में, अगर कोई दो कर्व या सरफेसेस है उनके बीच का जो एंगल होता है which is equal to angle between their tangents at the intersecting point, or angle between their normals at the intersecting point. Okay, so in case of planes, two planes are given, and by the equation of planes it is clear that if equations are given, it means drs of the normal are given. Okay, so here we use the concept, the angle between two planes, angle between two planes equal to the angle between their normals. Normal means lines, and in case of lines, we have already known the formula to find angle between two lines. So normal as lines, and from the equation of the given planes, the r's of the normals also given. In this case, if equation of the first plane is this, a1x, b1y, c1z plus d10, so a1, b1, c1 are drs of normal of the to the first plane, and similarly a2, b2, c2 are drs of normal to the second plane. Okay, so if theta is angle between them, then theta equal to cos inverse or cos theta, but we write angle, so there angle theta, cos inverse a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root in first a1 square, b1 square, c1 square into a2 square, b2 square, c2 square. This is formula to find angle. If equation of planes are given, then we can find angle between them. Now, in particular cases, if planes are perpendicular, that is theta is 90, so cos theta 0, and then its condition, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Normals are also perpendicular. If planes are perpendicular, normals are perpendicular. Similarly, if planes are parallel, then their normals are also parallel, and then we have a1 upon a2 equal to v1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. प्लेन अगर पैरेलल है तो नॉर्मल भी पैरेलल होंगे, और पैरेललिज्म की कंडीशन जो है वो ये है, कंडीशन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलरिटी ये हो जाए फॉर टू प्लेन्स इक्वेशंस आर गिवन, देन द एंगल बिटवीन फार्मूला condition of perpendicularity and condition of parallelism. Okay, and next thing, the equation of plane, first we give example on this. For example, find the angle between the planes, between the planes, 12x 3y plus 4z plus 9 equal to 0 and ax plus 2y plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. These two planes, and we have to determine angle between them. So we compare general form, both are given in general form. So 12x 3y 4z. So drs of the normal to the first plane 12 3 4 and that of normal to the second plane 1 2 2, that is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. So using the theta is angle between them, then theta equal to cos inverse a1 a2 12 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 2 upon under root 4 is 12 square, 3 square, 4 square. In first, second, 1 is square, 2 is square, 2 square. This is fine. So this is cos inverse, and 12 plus 6 plus 8 upon under root, it comes 169, that is 13 into 9, that is 3. So cos inverse equal to 26 upon 39. It is practice problem to find angle between the two given planes by this one. Okay. Next thing is equation of the plane. Equation of the plane passing through intersection of two planes. Equation of plane passing through, equation of, next article, equation of plane passing through the intersection of or we say line of intersection. Line of intersection. It should be noted that the intersection of two planes is a line. If two planes, for example, this is a plane, two plane, one plane is this, one other is this, two planes are intersect in a line. Okay, so this line is called line of intersection of two planes, this and this. So a plane passing through this line, so we call equation of plane passing through intersection or line of intersection of two given planes. Two given planes. And the equation of planes we take as, and if we write as this is equal to P1 equivalent and second P2. If we write inside is 0 in both equation, and we assume P1 and P2. So we write here in shortcut P1 equal to 0 and P2 equal to 0 is P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0, where lambda is a scalar, a number, constant lambda. This is very simple to find equation of plane passing through intersection or line of intersection. This is important thing. Two planes, in shortcut equation we write P1 0, P2 0, where P1, P2 are such. So equation of plane this. Where so two planes are given and we have to determine equation of plane passing through intersection of the given planes. We use this where lambda is scalar and it can be found by using the given condition in the problem, in the question. Okay. So for example, find equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 3z plus 6 equal to 0 and passes the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, very simple question. The equation of the plane passing through intersection of two planes, that is line of intersection of two planes, P1 equal to, this is we write as P1, P2, since right hand side in both cases is 0. Then equation of the plane according to our concept, this equation of the plane through the intersection of the given plane, is P1 x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3 plus lambda times 2x minus y plus 3z plus 6 equal to 0. And it is also given that this plane passes through the point. So this point satisfied this equation. So since if we write as given equations 1, 2, it will be 3 and plane 3 passes through the point, given point, therefore it is satisfied. So we put since plane 3 passes through the point 1, 2, 3, therefore we have 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus lambda 2x, that is 2, minus 2 and 3, that is 9 plus 6 equal to 0. That is 5, 11 and 14 plus this is 15 lambda equal to 0. So lambda equal to minus 14 upon 15. Now putting this value in 3, okay, putting or using 8, putting 8 in equation 3, we get, so we simplify x plus 2y plus 2z plus 3 and minus 14 upon 15 x minus y minus plus 3z plus 6 equal to 0. So after simplifying we get the equation of the required plane. 15 is multiplied here and then 14 is multiplied that side. So 15x minus 14x, that is x, and 30 and plus 14, 44 by and plus 30 and minus 42, that is minus 12 z, 45 and minus 84. So 45 minus 84, that is 39, equal to 0. This answer for the upper plane. So this is the equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. Next formula is the perpendicular distance from a given point to given plane. Suppose point is x1, y1, z1 and equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, then perpendicular distance is mod of ax1 by1 cz1 plus d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. It is just extension of the formula perpendicular distance from point to line in 2D. Okay, this is the point. So substitution is particular case distance of plane from the origin. So origin means point will be 0, 0, 0. So this distance is mod d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so in particular the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 equal to d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. In mod we take positive distance, so we write mod. So there are many problems in which we need distance from the given points to the given plane where we use this formula. For example, find perpendicular distance from the point one to one to the plane 2x minus y plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. So as per our article, point is this, x1, y1, z1, plane is this. Formula becomes, so we take as x1, y1, z1. Therefore perpendicular distance equal to ax1, that is 2, and this is minus 2, and this is 2 plus 5 upon under root a square, that is 4 plus b square plus c square. So it comes 7 upon 3 unit. This is perpendicular distance from the given point to the given plane. Okay, so these are very important formula. Some of them about equation of the plane and the distance from a point to the plane, and other important thing is the transformation of the equation of plane in other forms from one. For example, if general form is given, then we can find intercept form as well as normal form. So how to reduce or transform general form into intercept form? First, suppose equation of plane is 3x plus 4y plus 6z minus 5 equal to 0. This is general equation of the plane. And we have to reduce it into intercept form. Intercept form is clear to everybody. So which is the x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1, where a, b, c are the length of the intercept made by the plane on the coordinate axis. So to reduce this in intercept form, we write transform constant right hand side, dividing it. So 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 5, and then we dividing by this, in we need 1 on right hand side, dividing by 5. So 3x upon 5 plus 4y upon 5 plus 6z upon 5 equal to 1. And also it can be written as x upon 5 upon 3, y upon 5 upon 4 plus z upon 5 upon 6 equal to 1. This is the intercept. This is the general equation. It is there is intercepts are such as 5 by 3, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 on the coordinate axis. It is the intercept form. So from general we can obtain intercept. It is very easy. First, transform constant on right hand side, make it equal to 1 by dividing itself on both sides, and arrange in this form. And if it is asked what are intercepts, so we can also give answer as 5 by 3, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Other case, the reduction or transformation of general form into normal form. Normal form we also clear to everybody, that is normal equation of the plane. That is, so discuss under the heading transformation from general to transformation from general to normal form. General to normal. It is also very simple. If suppose general form is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, this normal form, and to reduce it we divide it plus minus under root a square plus b square plus c square, and sign of the radical, there is plus and minus, sign of radical is taking that of opposite of d. d का जो भी साइन है उसके अपोजिट साइन लेंगे. d अगर पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव है d तो दिस इज पॉजिटिव, we take positive, क्योंकि the normal form is lx plus my plus anz equal to p. p is the perpendicular distance, it comes always positive. So we divide by this, and sign of radical is taking opposite sign of d. For example, reduce the equation of plane two x plus 2y plus z plus 4 equal to 0 into normal form. So as per discussion, we divide it under root a square, we write as 1, and dividing 1 by under root a square, 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is 3. And actually we divided by minus 3, okay? So minus 3. Since d is here positive, so we take negative sign, minus 3. Then it becomes minus 2 upon 3x minus 2 upon 3y minus z upon 3 and minus 4 upon 3, so it becomes 4 upon 3. This. And now it is in normal form, that is Lx m by nz equal to p. DCs of normal are minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and p perpendicular distance is 4 by 3. Okay, so it should be clear to everybody to reduce, that is transformation of any form of the plane to other form. So from general to intercept or normal, and in also vice versa, that is in reverse order. Intercept form is given, very simple, you can reduce it into general form by taking LCM and then simplify, so it becomes okay. And there is many topics and many problems, but many problems on the plane depend the knowledge of the straight line, that is equations of the straight line or some basic concept on the straight line. So in the next lecture we will discuss first about straight line and then we continue the same topic, plane as well as straight line. Thank you.